Be ready, start. It is my pleasant duty to welcome you all to this 15th annual general meeting of your company, which normally takes place in the month of January, but due to the unfortunate strike in the months August, September, October, the audit of the accounts could not be completed till December 1975. This delayed our meeting. I am delighted that more and more shareholders are taking active interest in the working of the company, which is evident from the increasing number of shareholders attending the annual meeting year after year. Our country is at present passing through a very difficult period. In the wake of the war with Pakistan, we have been faced with severe drought affecting the food production and extremely serious power shortage affecting the industrial production. Our government is committed and very rightly committed to the twin objectives of removal of poverty and removal of unemployment. The above mentioned two calamities of drought and power have very seriously affected the progress towards the achievement of the above objectives. The cement industry is also not left unaffected, and along with other key industries like aluminium, textile, steel, etc., is badly hit on account of the above power shortage. Even new installed capacities are laying ideal, and the worst of the situation appears to be that even though a lot of hue and cry is raised and the seriousness of the situation is well realized, nothing very much seems to have been done to improve the situation. The concentrated effort required to tackle the serious problem appears to be conspicuous by its absence. Simply hoping of waiting for a better monsoon this year is not going to help. The capacity of the cement industry, which was only 1 million tons at the time of independence, has registered a remarkable increase in the last 25 years, and today we have a capacity of 19 million tons with an effective production of 15 million tons in 1975. Despite power cut, wagon shortage and all India cement workers strike, which affected the production to the tune of 500,000 tons. Although the production has increased more than 10 times, cement is still insufficient to meet the ever-growing demand, and it's feared that the shortage will become more acute in the years to come. The Task Force of Planning Commission has estimated the demand of cement at the end of 7th 5-year plan to be 29 million tons, and to achieve this production we would require an installed capacity of 40 million tons on the basis of 10% capacity of 40 million tons on the industry has to be doubled within next 6 years. This is not an impossible task provided a more helpful policy is adopted in regard to the cement price and licensing policy. Stop.